Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make smothered chicken with Maque Choux Casserole. Okay, we've taken our Maque Choux with our fried chicken right out of the oven here. What we're going to do is add a little rice to the bottom of our bowl here. Kind of soupy, so you probably want to use a bowl instead of a plate. You can make this thicker if you would also like to by adding a slurry to it, but that's yet another story. I like it sort of like this. So I want to grab one of the pieces of chicken. This is the thigh. Put it right on top. And you see all that beautiful corn, and we got some shrimp and the ham, and we got sausage in here. And just go ahead and put it on like that. I kind of like a lot, and I grab a little bit more of the shrimp on here. Then I like to finish with just a little extra color. We're going to finish with that parsley that we chopped. This is a really nice presentation that you can bring to the table.